Kanti makukhona la impilo ebona sengazuthi wena ujahe khona, izoba nako ukukhombisa ukuthi bekumele ngabe awujahe indawo. Because phela wena you know nothing about where should you be, when and how. You know nothing. You are just being guided from above. Yeah, so kuzomela ukuthi kukhathaze kuqeda amandla uze ube kwi-receptive mood. And then you flow with the flow, you surrender. That is where things are going to happen. You just follow your strategy and authority. I followed my strategy and authority unconsciously before I even discover the human design system. Let me tell you what happened. I was doing music, ne? Ngilitiko nje, producer, only DJ, you see, all of those things. Even on the record label. I used to force myself into people, download my music, like my page. I wasted a lot of energy trying to force myself into people. So after I get on a spiritual awakening list, yes, I just chill and then things just fall into place. Look, how many of you win la? But I never invite. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi ngizana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi uma ungatatazeli uyabona. Look how many of you are following me. You see more than 40,000 people who are here following me, yes, without me even lifting a finger, yes, automatically. I'm going to tell you ukuthi lento le yenzeka kanjani. How does this thing work? Yabo, day in day out la abantu they are coming in numbers, yes, day in day out. Mina I'm just doing what I do better. Yabo, I do what I do better, man. Now you do what you do better, right? Exactly. Wonke umuntu udlala indima yakhe la. Ngidlala indima yami, nawe udlala indima yakho. Simple. So, angifuni ukuvusa kakhulu lento ye-past, but yeah, I was forcing things to happen. I was forcing them to happen regardlessly. So, I don't know. Yeah, but the energy I was putting was like 95% energy I was putting, but I got 5% results. Yeah, I got no, I'm pushing here. And I'm willing to pay the price. I was pushing very hard, but it never happened. Yeah, kwenzekile okuncane kwenzekile because people knew me here and there. Go to Cozy FM, go to some local community radio stations, you see. Qashwe ube residence DJ, yes, come, you know. One would say yes, I'm pushing, but this thing is like ngopopa nini. When am I going to just blow? Table is turned here after the spiritual awakening. Table is turned. The script was flipped. You see, it's even worse now because I now exercise what we call the human design system. It's even worse again now. Cause there's no rush and no hurry. That's in the lapaya. Ngatila. For me, ndelapha yakuthi ngathi la akutatazelwa sidalwa, because now I'm living the opposite of what I was doing. Because mina I'm a generator, at least manifesting generator. Now I just wait. I'm just busy with my own stuff. Busy because I'm a very sleeping phoenix. Surely I have the energy of being busy. I'm very busy. If there's nothing to respond to, I'm just busy. Even the human design system, it just came to me. I didn't go all the way out with what is it I have to do. It just came to me. Then I said, wow, this is interesting. It just came to me, wow, this is interesting. I feel so inspired by this. I felt my sacral giving me that excitement. No, man, you need to know this. So even now, recently, I'm not going to tell you, but there's something that I've responded to recently. That I've responded to, and I can tell you, my sacral is telling, yes, I'm excited to go through it, go over it. It just came to me. How? I won't push and force myself thinking, what should I do now? People are busy. No, something will show up in one way or other. Something will show up here. Something will show up maybe as an advert. Something will show up as anyhow. Something will show up. And then once something shows up, my authority, because I'm a sacral manifesting generator, will say, I'm excited about this. Even something can make sense if we khuluma. If my sacral says, nah, I don't have energy for this, I just listen to it. I don't force myself. I hear people talking, hey, sayibulala imali. Maybe they're not even talking to me. Hey, sayibulala imali, this and this. It sounds great, but my sacral says, I don't have energy for this. Just listen. But maybe if kuleza khathi zakuqala, I will say, let me try my luck. Things, they don't going to work. They don't going to work if you don't listen to your sacral. As a generator, if you're a sacral generator or any authority, if you know your chart, they are not going to work. If you keep on you find a trial and error, chill. There's no hurry in South Africa. Things are when you are meant to chill, and then by misunderstand yokuthi chill. To chill, be busy with something you love or something that you have previously responded to. You become magnetic if you are busy with something that lights your soul up. Be busy with those things and stop flooding yourself with the anxiety of what I should be doing. No, tell yourself, I'm waiting to respond. Something will show up outside, then I'll respond. It's just that. You see, even me coming here to on TikTok, it was a matter of me responding. I didn't just come here like, TikTok is in. As I heard people talking about TikTok, but I call it, TikTok is for you guys. Go on TikTok. To the point of ngaze ngazakhela something nje ukuthi kube khona into negative engishoyo ukuthi why I'm not jumping into TikTok ngathi abantu bakhona badelela. So that was just a reason yokuthi for me to support my illogical gut feeling yokuthi why I don't get into this, because people are into this. So I have to get a reason why. Okay, abantu bakhona badelela. But that was not the case. It was that my sacral did not agree. At that time, that is my authority. My authority is a sacral mean. If I hear the word TikTok, we are on TikTok, I'm not getting excited. I don't even feel like jumping into it. I'm just waiting. But at some point, something said, no man, jump in now. Jump into TikTok now. Sacral says, yes, now you're excited. It's like they kept on telling me, different people telling me, I'm gonna go there. But next time, one day, I know, you should try to call it Yama. Oh, okay, all right. Hey, sacral yavuma this time. Yeah, you should get in TikTok. My own. I can disagree and deny something in the first place, and then sacral yavuma later on. So we timing, right? Guys, wait for the right time. Timing. Don't force yourself. Don't push for things to happen. Be vigilant and observant and wait for your turn. They just happen effortlessly. Ujahappy, uresa nova. Uyazi bona uzophila isikhathi esingakanani la.